Yeah, you read the title. You know what this means. And just like that, my journey into minimalism had begun. After a quick run to Goodwill, I hopped on a flight to Kansas City with my friend Mitchell. We were headed to a car dealership in a small town called Hutchinson, a 3.5-hour drive from Kansas City. Once there, I would hopefully fulfill the millennial YouTuber's dream and buy a van. Couldn't just buy any normal old van in Colorado. We had to make a trip to the promised land of vans, Hutchinson, Kansas. Somehow I roped Mitchell into flying to Kansas City, and then driving to Hutchinson to pick up a van, and then driving back to Kansas City to drop off the rental car. I see it way up there somewhere. There she is. Love at first sight. So we began with a thorough investigation of the most important parts of the vehicle. That's perfect. Like this? Okay, look. Again, I keep forgetting I can stand up all the way. Kitchen. I'll make this rotate around so I can sit here. And my little TV monitor will pop out.
Isn't your TV monitor gonna get sheared off when you open the door?
Little hail damage, maybe. There's a couple dings.
We are on our inaugural test ride.
Oh man.
Of the new van. Jake's new home. Do you really feel a connection?
I do, man. I think I found my soulmate. I think we're gonna be spending a lot of time together.
Welcome to Kansas. Initial thoughts?
Stoked. I mean, it handles like a pickup truck, which I'm happy with. I also have never driven a pickup truck, so there's that.
Stop making false assumptions.
Alright, let's go talk business.
Everything up and then we'll get you in there. You don't have to sit here if you want to get up and move around.
Oh, okay. Cool. Well, it looks like I found my new home. After buying the van and spending some time in Kansas City with our friend Sarah, it was time to make our way back home to Denver. I still don't think I really know what I've gotten myself into. I don't really know how I'll build this van into a home with so little experience, but just like everything else in life, it's about the journey, not the destination.